Replacement problem. What exactly is replacement problem? The question arises when we will replace any instrument, machine, any device. Normally, what happen when the device is outdated or if it's not working, we will replace that machine or the device. For example, tube light. If tube rod become fused, we will replace it. If our tube is burst in our car, we will replace. Then if we're talking about our car, when we will replace our car, when we will replace our bike, when we will replace our machine which we are using in industry or any other purpose, for example photoestate machine, computer, laptop, there are so many different device, and we have to take decision when we will replace it. What we will do, we will find the related cost of that machine or that device. Basically, there are two type of cost involved with that machine. Number one is depreciation. The number one is what? Depreciation. I will write it over here. That is what? Depreciation. And number two is what? Number two is maintenance cost. Number two is maintenance cost, or we can say operating cost, or we can say running cost. You can say anything. So there are basically two type of cost: depreciation and maintenance cost, or operating cost, or running cost. This is what the cost involved with, the cost involved with uh, any machinery, any machine. So now we are going to decide how we will work with it, how we will replace the things. Now I'm taking one example. Okay, suppose we have one machine and that cost of that machine is what? Cost of machine is what? Say 7,000 rupee. The cost of machine is what? 7,000 rupee, right? And suppose I have some data like year is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. We have 6 year data, and the number one is what? Maintenance cost. Maintenance cost, the maintenance cost of that machine is on the basis of, this is what, on the basis of past record. The maintenance cost of this machine is what? Say 1,000 rupee in first year, 1,200 rupee in second year, 1,700 rupee in third year, and 2,100 rupee in fourth year, 2,800 rupee in fifth year, 3,700 rupee in sixth year. This is what maintenance cost. Similarly, when we are using this machine, the cost of that machine is what? 7,000 rupee. When we are using this machine, must be a depreciation on this machine. Sometime we have straight line depreciation. Sometime we have on the basis of actual value of the machine, right? On the basis of actual the remaining value or actual value of the machine, or we can say resale price. So suppose uh, resale price is given, resale price, but resale price when? At the end of the year. That means at the end of the first year, the resale price of that machine is 4,000 rupee. That means if you want to sell this machine after 1 year, you will get only 4,000 rupee, although this machine was 7,000 rupee. So what about the remaining 3,000? Remaining 3,000 is a basically depreciation. And if you will sell it after 2 year, you will get only 2,000 rupee. After 3 year, you will get only 1,200 rupee. 600 rupee after 4 year, 500 rupee after fifth year, and 400 rupee after sixth year. This is what resale price. Now, this information is given to you. This information is given to you, which I'm highlighting with yellow color. This is what the information is given to you. Now, what happened? I told you they are basically two type of cost involved in it. Number one is depreciation and number two is maintenance cost. Maintenance cost, or you can say operating cost, or you can say running cost. So first of all, I am going to find the depreciation. What is depreciation? Depreciation is basically what? Uh, Cost minus resale price. Cost minus resale price is what? Depreciation. So I'm going to calculate depreciation, right? So how we will calculate depreciation? Depreciation, like our cost is what? 7,000 rupee. 7,000 minus 4,000, so it become 3,000 is my depreciation of first year. And similarly for second year, that is 7,000 minus 2,000, 5,000, 7,000 minus 1,200, 5,800, 7,000 minus 600, that is 6,400, 7,000 minus 500, that is 65, 7,000 minus 400, that is 6,600. This is what depreciation. We calculate depreciation. The depreciation calculated by us, right? Now we are going to calculate what? Total cost. Total cost. I'm going to calculate total cost. If we're talking about to me that I'm going to calculate total cost is what? The maintenance cost plus depreciation. Maintenance cost and depreciation. Okay, so in first year on maintenance cost, I spent how much? 1,000 rupee, and depreciation was 3,000 rupee. So total cost is 4,000 rupee. Right, total cost is 4,000 rupee. Why 4,000 rupee? Because of in first year I spent 1,000 on maintenance and 3,000 is my depreciation. That is why 4,000 rupee. If we're talking about the second year, if I'm talking about the total cost up to 2 years, right? So how we'll calculate? The depreciation is 5,000. That means within 2 years, depreciation is what? 5,000 rupee. Because of at the end of 2 years, you will sell this machine in 2,000 rupee, and the cost of the machine is what? 5,000. So 5,000 minus 2,000, that is what? 7,000 minus 2,000, that is what? 5,000. So 5,000 is depreciation up to 2 years. And in 2 years, how much you spend on maintenance? 1,000 in first year, 1,200 in second year. That means you spend 2,200. You spend 2,200 on maintenance plus 5,000 is depreciation. So ultimately 7,200 is what? Total cost in 2 years. So it is little bit complex to find the value. I'll do one thing. I will calculate cumulative maintenance cost. I'm going to calculate cumulative maintenance cost, so it become easy, right? So cumulative maintenance cost in first year, that is 1,000 only. If we're talking about the cumulative maintenance cost in 2 years, 1,000 plus 1,200. You are very well aware how you will calculate cumulative frequency. Similarly, we are going to calculate cumulative maintenance cost. So 1,000 plus 1,200, that is what? 2,200. 1,000 plus 1,200, that is what? 2,200. Similarly, if we're talking about 2,200 plus 1,700, it become 3,900, and 3,900 plus 2,100, that is 5,000, 6,000, 6,000 plus 2,800, 8,800, 8,800 plus 3,700, that is 12,500. This is what cumulative maintenance cost. And what is total cost? Total cost is basically depreciation plus cumulative maintenance cost. So right, so I'm going to tell in detail. Total cost is what? Depreciation plus cumulative maintenance cost. It is what? Total cost. Right. So this is what depreciation plus cumulative maintenance cost is what? Total cost. I calculate total cost. This is what? My total cost. So it is clearly mentioned that in 1 year I spent 4,000 rupee. In 2 years I spent 7,200 rupee. In 3 years I spent 9,700 rupee. In 4 years, that means in 4 years, from first year to fourth year, I spent 12,400. In 5 years, 15,300. In 6 year, 19,000 1 year. Now I'm going to calculate average cost. Average cost is basically what? Total cost. Total cost divided by number of years. Total cost is basically average cost is basically total cost divided by number of years. So 4,000 rupees is spent in 1 year. So average cost is what? 4,000. Right. 7,200 amount, 7,200 rupees is spent in 2 years. That means if we're talking about average cost per year kitna nikla, so 7,200 divided by 2 is basically 3,600. So what we are doing, we are going to calculate average cost of that machine which we are spending. That is what this. Right. So now the question arises how we will find the cost. Like if I'll run this machine, if I'll continue the machine for 1 year, it cost 4,000 rupee to me. Right. If I'll continue with this machine, it's cost 3,600 rupee per year. Right. If continue with 3 years, it costs 3,233 for 3 years. If I'll continue with 4 years, it costs 3,100 per year. If I'll continue with this machine for fifth year, 5 years, that is cost 3,060 rupee per year. If I'll continue with 6 year, it costs 3,100. So you can see the average cost is going down. Average cost is going down. You can easily see in it. The cost is going down, right? And the what is the minimum cost? The minimum cost is 3,060 is minimum cost, right? So it is our minimum cost. 3,060 is my minimum cost, and after this the cost is going to increase. After this the cost is going to increase. When cost is increased, so it is not good for us, right? So this is our time where we will replace our system. So what we will do in this time, we will replace our system. Right, everyone? I hope it is clear to everyone. So what we will do, replace machine at the end of fifth year. We will replace machine at the end of fifth year, right? So what we will do, we will calculate it by us, right? All three columns will calculate it by us, and this is the result. This is the outcome. And the average cost is going down. Where you will find the average cost is minimum, that is your replacement period. I hope it is clear to everyone.